Do you want to know how you can change your name on Quizlet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name on Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet, which is on your phone. Tap on the profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then go to your settings. You can see your username. Go ahead and tap on it, and then to change your username, press continue with Google, and you can change your username once. So go ahead and choose your username and then press save. This way your username will be changed. So this username is invalid, so go ahead and choose the username and press save, and once it is valid, your username will be changed. So this was a video on how you can change your name or username on Quizlet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.